Hi, I'm Skyler. Welcome to AgamidCG, and today is day 28 of my 30-day sculpting challenge. The prompt for today is an animal mashup. I could have gone in a lot of directions with this one, but because I'm so close to the finish line, I wanted to make sure that I did something that kept things focused and actually gets done. So I decided to mash up a bunch of savanna animals. I started out with a couple of spheres to block in a cute bean-like shape. From the very beginning, I knew I wanted an elephant trunk, so I threw that in as early as possible. And then I added some giraffe horns, dropping in some eyes, and then it freaking crashed. After restarting, I rebuilt everything. Luckily, I wasn't too far in. I added a crocodile tail, then worked on shaping the back legs into wildebeest-style hooves. For the ears, I went with hippo ears. I thought they'd look cute, but looking at the silhouette now, something a bit more defined probably would have worked better. The front arms are big cat paws, something like a cheetah or a lion, and of course I added tusks to really sell the elephant part of the design. Once I started adding detail to the eyes, the character suddenly looked older and less cute, which I really wasn't a fan of. Eyes are still a big weakness for me. In the last 5 to 10 minutes, I threw in a few small details, a giraffe mane, some crocodile spikes along the tail, and finished it off with some poly paint. The result is a weird, kind of ugly little savanna monster that I've decided to call the Elegirapotamus. With a little bit more time and some love, I think this thing actually could turn into something pretty solid. It may not be in a great place right now, but I think it definitely has some potential. Well, that's another day down. Thanks for watching. If you have ideas for things I should sculpt next, topics for future videos, or feedback on this one, throw it in the comments. I'll see you on day 29.